I'm I'm sorry for not streaming for the past like 4 days. Uh oh no, my current schedule right now has forced me to be on a be on uh, a schedule where I sleep more early. So a little bit of a shame, but it's whatever. Hold on. That's right. I did move chat all the way over there. Hi Lego. Hi Mr. Ethan. Let me move this back here. I wanted to work on a I wanted to work on on that project like I said I would, but truth be told, I don't actually have any proper assets complete yet. Cause I really just have been like really busy with summer school and everything, and whenever I'm not at I'm doing any any summer school. Uh, I'm probably just playing Uma Musume. I can't lie with you. It's kind of fucked up like that, but you know, it's whatever. Here, this is the thing that I was gonna have that I was gonna have ready for the stream, but like at the same time, I don't have time to complete this right now. I hope you all enjoyed like 20 minutes of just pure music while I just went to like go wash my face and do stuff and everything of the sort. God. Anyway, I had a I remember that model looked cool. Yeah. Thanks. I don't. Did I ever show that to the public until now? Lord GG. True. Hashtag true as fuck. So like I said, I had like an idea for for a stream game that I could develop like on the oh okay, well that's just my my what is it? Because I have a yeah, I have Sunshine to stream this to my desktop. Because there's actually, like I said, this is what we're ordering like a virtual machine. Did I just install it? God damn it, whatever. But yeah, first things first. Out of everything, I have to install Godot Engine. That's right. So let me just do that real quick. Oh, okay. Well, it looks like I already have it. Am I fucking stupid? Here, hold on. Let me create a new applications. There you go. It has to be hacks too. Yeah, I was downloading hacks for something, but I ultimately decided to not do it like right now. So it's okay. Just have those right there for now. And like God, in my off time, I haven't been streaming. Usually when I do when I do end up waking up, I I just end up like I just end up like not how to describe it, just not waking up in time, like around this time, but then I just fall back asleep again. So if you want to know what I've been spending my time on, it's that model and fucking Uma Musume again. I don't know what to expect from me at this point. But yeah, now I suppose I sort of gotta have to lock in. So it's a shame, but it's whatever. Oh, okay, wait. Well, I had to log into my my GitHub account. I'm gonna go to a just chatting screen for now. But like what? I just been preoccupied with that. That's why haven't been streaming for 4 days. it really is like really straining to me. I feel like I don't have much free time to do anything, and when I do have the free time, I don't know. It always feels like it's like too late, you know. So yeah, a little bit of a shame, but you know it's whatever. Where's my where's the thing? There's the thing. Um, all I had to do is just clone this. So get cloned. Oh, wrong thing. There you go. All right, awesome. All right, and now now let's transition back. I had to create a new I had to if you can tell already, I'm gonna develop this application in Godot. So let's see. No, I think that's fine there. There you go. Just copy all of this here, honestly, because well, God, I don't know. I've been really admittedly I've been really like down in dumps as of recently. I can't lie with you. That's why my voice is a little bit more I guess more strainy. I don't know. How do you even describe that? Here, all I have to do is just change this to a Gmoody, and if everything's right, then there shouldn't be anything wrong in like Notepad or something, right? Yeah, just get rid of this. It's fine. All right, put this in terminal and lazy get project create base project base Godot project. There you go. Awesome. And now it's time to get started. So I was planning on making this like a 2D game, probably something with like a very low resolution. So let's see, viewport. The viewport's probably just gonna be like a resolution of 256 by 192. Keep disabled. What I do? I don't know. If anything, I'll just do like viewport for now. Viewport or like canvas items. I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure at this point, honestly. VSync is disabled for now. Um, 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 uh, let's see. Common. You know what? 60 ticks per second for physics isn't so bad, I don't think. Trying to see what do you want? Default texture filter nearest. There you go. Let's see. I think this time like I might try to be a little bit more experimental this time around. Can y'all hear me just fine? Just like genuinely wondering because I don't know. My like I'm checking my audio levels right now as I go too, so just let me know. Maybe a bit low, but it's fine. Then I have to fix that in the future. Use TAA. We do not need that. Let's be real. I'm planning on doing this in like pure GD script just cause I just want to see what you can. Nope, can't hear. Okay, all right. Sure, Mr. Ethan. Right, yeah. Imagine then like a nope, can't hear you. La la la. Whatever. I don't care. I don't care. I care. First of all, let's make my 2D physics so characters and just solids for now. That should be that should be enough, I would think. Just reload this and everything. And just put this as like what? Project settings. Establish basic game settings, I suppose. There you go. So now it's really, really small, and now it's running in what I want to believe is DX12, DirectX 12 mode. So let's create a new establish my game my folders real quick. So resources, characters, and then let's call this let's call this shared because I am planning on splitting this into like separate PCKs. So not shared I'm sure it'll look better sometime else, but like let's see GG not GG, what am I doing? That's right. I had to add something named game and game right there and then let's call this still call this shared, honestly. Fuck it. And then let's create a new scene. I'm gonna create a new character scene here called just how about just GG default, right? I have to work with like I want to be able to like work with like state machines too, so I'm gonna have to do something about that. So let's just establish a sprite right here, and then just a regular sprite because I'm not planning on animating this like traditionally. I had a vision for that for that particular JG to have like a viewport texture right there, and then let's have a like a little sub viewport here as well. There you go. Oh, right. There you go. And then now, ooh, that's really big for a Let's set this to 64 by 64, and I wanted to make this transparent. There you go. And as for its 3D, I shall put this right here. It's a cube. This might be a good time to establish this right now. Characters. Shared. GG. And then, let's just call this model for now. Make this a 3D scene. I wanna go like a unique take on this where, let's make this a, it's gonna be a skeleton later, but like, you know, just for now, let's just make this a, how do you mesh instance 3D? That's right. I need to just spawn a little cube, a box mesh like that, and let's just I mean, there's not like an easy way to do this, so I just YOLO it, I guess. set this to typically because things don't start at the middle. They start usually at like like right here where like at this point right here. So I'm just gonna offset this by 0.5 right there, and just to indicate as the front, let's just have like a little let's have like a little triangle right here that we can make really small. Let's see, what's this? Oh, I see. um, rotate this around. I mean, honestly, yeah, just do like that. Rotate it like that. Where's the front again? I like genuinely forget. Front. Okay, there's a good time to consult the internet. Godot, vector 3 forward. Let's see. Okay, no, I thought it was AI. That's not AI. That's just fucking. I don't know. -1. I see. So. Yeah, that's pretty negative, I'd say. Alright, so just to indicate, there you go. Sure, why not? And that's right, I had to offset this by oh nope, 0.7. That should be the perfect position. There you go. that's the front facing thing. It just looks like off-brand antenna. That's my placeholder model now. It's just looking like fire, truly. This is so stupid, but you know, what can you really do about it? Especially since what? Wait, what? Oh, there's off-brand antenna. There he is, and then just. All right, and let's drag this model in, so that, and then let's have a camera here so the viewport will actually be able to see it. All right, and let's move this. So, shoop, and turn this around. Boop. Oops. There you go. And then I think that's I don't know. I think it's alright for now, question mark. If anything, hold on. Let's try and sure. And then just rotate. Hold on, no, I have to angle this a little bit more downward, like this. At least so you can see like the there you go. And so now it'll be facing like that, and whenever it needs to turn around, just I think that's fine for now. I don't know about you, but it's looking just like Gigi for me. True. This is Gigi now. toughest part for me is gonna be actually gonna like trying to find a target clear mode always one of his next frame. Yeah, something like that. Unrecognized UID. What are you talking about? That's odd. Alright, whatever. It's I guess it won't matter. There you go. Just scaling. What's Metal FX? I was about to say we don't even have that type of thing. Oh my god, we can make it even more low quality. God, Jesus Christ. God, it's beautiful. It's okay. That's good enough. Alright, let me check something real quick. Let's make a new screens thing right here, and actually no, let's not have that. Let's just have like a test scene for now. Test scene. And let's have this character model in here right now. That's definitely GT. Okay, well, alright, you know what, to be expected. We kinda need some lighting. As of right now, he kinda has like nothing, so let's see, how can I make this look better? Light 3D. I mean, ideally, this is gonna be like unlit anyway, but you know. So let me just do my best to do that type of thing. So let's see. Transparency disabled. Shading unshaded. There you go. But I do want it to grow like. Oops, my bad. Not the right thing, I think. Let's see. See shadows. Billboard. No billboard. Grow. Like this amount, I'd say. Huh. Right. Okay. Because what I really want to do right now is add another material, but it seems like it cannot do that right now. As of right now, so let me just new shader material. Make this unique. Cold mode. How do I do this? Front, I guess, maybe? Shading. Albedo is gonna be, entirely black. I forget how to do this. I just want to have, like, some outlines. Yeah, something to this side effect, but, like, you know. Okay, maybe I won't make it grow, just, I'll just modify the mesh itself, it's fine. So it's gonna be like a 1.1, I guess. Or no, 1.05 maybe. There you go. And then same thing about the cube outline, and same thing for the nose right here. So I'm gonna have that same thing right here. Oops, sorry about that. And there you go. Well, we don't need that anymore. And then now for the nose. Don't reparent. Excuse me. Make this a nose outline right here, and make this entirely unique. Get the same material as this, the actual node itself right here. Same material. There you go. And copy this material, the one that's grown, and oops, didn't mean to do that. 05, 05, and 05. Like that? No, it needs to be a little bit bigger. Yeah, okay, it needs to be like a lot bigger actually. Something like that will do. Something like you know what? Fair enough. I think it'd look better once I have like an actual model in. But you know, this fucking model, man. I swear. All right. Let me just I want to. Okay. On second thought, let me angle this a little bit upward, right like that, and set this a little bit like this. I turn back 1 second. It's actually 10. Trust me, it's meant to face the front. The nose is meant to represent the front. Okay, God. But yeah, for now we'll have it like orthogonal like this, and then don't mind me. I'm just trying to shit this right. Maybe it's not better if I make it orthogonal. It's okay though. I'm just experimenting with this right. So let's make this perspective. We'll fresh them. Wait, oh, does this show up? What the fuck? Why? It's perfect. There you go. How about that? Does that show up? No. Look, it's perfect. Oh, god damn it. Anyway, I do not want this centered. I actually want this to be like the I want this to be like the viewport resolution. So like see how does it look with an orthogonal camera? Like shit. Like I can show you. There you go. Though perhaps that's just the consequence of my my own actions. It has to be something like that. Amazing, yeah. Especially since what? Let's see. There's not really any way to make this any better, I'd say. 5. Okay, it's not okay. It's not showing up for some reason. Oh, that's right, because I don't just have this as current camera. This looks like a box now. Amazing. And then let's see if I Bean Pookie, hi. Welcome in. I'm just I'm just trying right now. Trying to experiment with I've done for reference, I've done like Godot game development before, but I'm just I've been meaning to like try out like just a completely new try to create like a complete new project on stream, just because I thought it'd be interesting if y'all could like I don't know follow the journey in some sort of fucked up way. Which I think would be pretty awesome in my personal opinion, but you know. Deltarune character for real. It's not even. I was planning to replace it with like another model later, but I haven't gotten around to finishing that model yet. No. Okay, let's see. The worst part is like I want this like to take like the entire camera, right? So, cause that's how I personally want to handle it, I guess. So, maybe I don't have to handle it that way. I don't know. But regardless, hold on. I'll make this centered. Why not? Oops. That's what the fuck just happened? Oh, that just happened. So what I have to do here is I just have to I think I might just stick to the original idea, just angling it slightly down and there you go. How that? How's that work? Oops, wrong thing. So now if I and like that and like that. You know what? I think that's like surprisingly a very good angle. I just need to find the right like I guess zoom and huh. Just a slight alright, you know what? That's fine. Alright, so now um hmm, because the camera's always gonna be focused on this specific point anyway, so it's gonna be fine. So let's see. Let's have an animation play here, cause fuck it. Um, create like a very basic walk cycle here. So animation player. New animation. Idle. I just modify like position and oops, that's not what I meant to do. Uh, position and rotation for right now. Oh, that's the wrong rotation I had to do. I just got Asgore Birkenstruck and Lock-in memes now. God, I know people say this already, but that's I don't know. It was I don't know. Of course, it was funny at first, but like the Birkenstruck memes got kind of cheesy. I can't lie. Like IMO. God. All right. Let me create a new walk cycle now. Let's animate this at 30 frames per second. Loop this. Let's snap this. Let's see. So It's more like this, and where like where it goes up like that. Oops, not what I meant to do. So if I were to go like this, I need to remember to let's see. No, not like that. It's stupid. They say hi. I'm so good focused right now. Hi, Small Kuya. Welcome into the stream. I really appreciate you for being here. Can I erase attack? Yes. Boop boop. What the fuck? That's not what I meant to do. How strange. Okay, good. It didn't just record like that. There you go. And then this idle and let's make this all a little bit slower. Maybe like 10 and then 20. Yeah, that that's good. That's really good. That that that's really good. Let me see. Alright, hold on. Let me make this it walk true. Let me make this this a little bit bigger. So 1.1, 1.1, 1.1. And then for the nose outline, make this 0.3, 0.6, and then 0.3 again. There you go. It's a lot more defined that way. And then now I can have the ability to just put it back like sort of like this, I guess. I think that's I think it's how like relatively small I want Gigi to be on screen. Hold on. I may want to join. I may want to There you go. All right. How about now? Let's see. Sure. All right. All right. So now reset. Let's make the reset the default. There you go. All right. That's my vision for right now. Let's characters, placeholder, Gigi model, just like that. There you go. And now we gotta create some scripts for this whole thing. And then let's just have a shared for now. Maybe not even shared. Just have it renamed to global. I'm sorry. Global. And then let's see. Huh. I'm thinking right now. I think I might just make a how do I want to approach this? Let's make a G Modine character, and then inherits let's say character body 2D for right now. All right, and G Modine character. Let's name it that first of all. G Modine. G Modine. There you go. And then now, what am I thinking? Genuinely, what am I thinking? I completely forgot. G Muddy Trail. uh, um, thinking, states. How do you want to handle states this time around? It was really hard to handle states the other time around. Alright, well, I think I have like a smidgen of an idea. G Mudding. G Mudding state. And so now let's have this be class name G Mudding state controller. There you go. And then class name G Mudding state extends node. And now that we have that, we can start so ideally, let me make a make a moveset system first. This state set will be fine, I believe. There you go. G Mudding state set. There you go. And then now, ideally what I want is a function, excuse me. So let's say we had a G Mudding state controller in here, right? There you go. And now, state controller. We could just have this G Mudding state controller. There you go. Does this start to show up in help? Let's see. G Mudding. There you go. Wrong thing. G Mudding character. It does. Okay, I see. Yes. Alright. Let's see if this works. Hold on. Let's make this a tool, and then func, notification? Notification what? Yeah, that's right. That is how that works. Match what, and then notification, child order change, I believe, and then, for I in get child count. I'll just get children for now. Children is children array node equals that, and then for child and children, it's not gmodine state controller. Alright, so first of all, let's reset everything to be null. Child is gmodine state controller. Then and state controller is null, then state controller equals child. There you go. Gave up on the GG prefix, now it's gmodine. The GG prefix is something else now. I don't know why. So, let's see, if I have this as gmodine control. Right, okay, so it still needs, so I still need to have the get configuration warnings there, and let's see, so the previous warnings is packed string array, like that, and then oops, that's right. Oh, okay. You know, that's cool. So, could I just... Hold on, could I just return... return nothing. Actually, There you go. And then now, I can return warnings. Anyway. And then if state controller is null, then warnings push append this value character does not have a it can't do any actions by itself. Yep. How that? And then let's change this to a gmodine character. There you go. Right, okay. Good to know. Alright, and then now I need to add a collision body for this thing. Oops, let's have this, just have this be a, Just have this be like a circle for now, or like a capsule or something like that. Let's see, this'll, see, I did plan for Gigi to have the smallest hitbox, so maybe just a circle will do fine. Actually, now that I think about it. There you go, something like that. All right, nice. Collision. Actually, no. Maybe it should be. Maybe it really should be like towards the center, like that. Like a really tiny hitbox. How about that? There you go. I did plan for this to be like a bullet hell sort of thing. Alright. I have that done. state controller. There you go. And now for the state controller itself, I'm thinking right now. Probably not gonna even have like a little queue system at all. I'm thinking it's just states. Not even just just a state dictionary. Not even. What am I doing? States is dictionary. Oops, dictionary. String name. State. Gmuting state. There you go. Let's just, how does equal that? It'll be relatively simple from here on out. Same thing over here, actually. Let's work on state set first. So, I feel like the same thing like around here. So, what? States dot clear. There you go. And now if child is gmuting state, then states dot assign. What? Oh no, not assign. Set child name child. Something like that. And states equals null. Then this state set not have any checks trend, so it can't do anything. There you go. And basically like the same thing here. So if child is gmuting state, otherwise if child is and continue, otherwise if child is gmuting state set, then then we have to do the same thing here as well, but just for state and child as gmuting state set. States dot set. Can't tell you've been working with Godot source at all. Yeah, totally. State as gmuting state. There you go. Base string name. Oh, what? The fuck? Huh. Oh, I see. Right. Okay. State set out as Gmurin state set. Oops, that's the wrong thing. There you go. Surprisingly enough, like a lot, some developers, GScript developers use the Square system as well, which, you know, that's fair enough, but, you know. Like, I saw in, like in Level Editor that I downloaded once. Like a 30 level editor that I was using for, like, a game jam type thing. Update. Let's see. Let's have this as update children. Or no, not update children. Update states. There you go. Let's do every sort of thingamajig right there. So if that happens, just update states. There you go. And now for here, how do I, okay, state controller is, let's see, Gmurin state controller. And that doesn't equal anything right now. And then if update, and let's have it like an update state here as well. There you go. Void, and then we'll have a little bit of this. And let's just update states. There you go. And now, things all said and done. State controller is Gmurin state controller, and so child actually var state Gmurin state equals child, and state dot state controller equals its own state controller, which is right there. There you go. And now modify this so it does that. And now state set dot state controller equals this, or I guess self. Should really have something like that. There you go. Yeah. Hang on. And self. Hello, Miss Anna. Hi, Mr. Tives. Welcome in. I'm trying to make my thing right now. I remember I showed a GG model work in progress, but I never actually completed it because I've been really tired. So this is my placeholder model for now. Do you like it? Oh, it's P, I know. this is my placeholder model, and then I was gonna put it. It's perfection for real. It's just fucking. It's just Tenno, dude. It's literally just Tenno. And I'm trying to get I'm trying to get things set up so I can move the character around and everything like that. But thinking right now. I think that should be it for now. Question mark? I'm not sure. Um, and state set. Update states. There you go. And that looks fine. Question mark. Character. G Morin character. There you go. And state controller dot character is self. There you go, something like that. Alright, and then now, if everything goes well, then, oh yeah, that's right. I forgot to make this an actual tool. So there you go. Tool, and then tool. There you go. And Gmodine state. I have an active thing right here. So active. So active bool is false, but export var active bool, and that's gonna be get return this, and then set val active equals val, but then also set process active, set process active, blah, 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 blah. What is it? Set physics process now? Some things thingamingas like that. There you go. Oh yeah. And now, I believe, I could just, okay, well, it's not immediately throwing a warning, so that's, a little bit concerning. Hold on. Is empty. There you go. So if that's empty, then I'll delete this. Then I will, Gmodine state controller. Yeah, okay, so it doesn't have any Gmodine, children. There you go. Seems about right. Alright, so... That's the basic, states down, and now we will have a, things for, like, GG specifically, so... GG. Actually, I should probably, base? Base for all the fundamentals, and then global GG, and And let's name this GG. No, GG Adventure State. Let's have this first of all, let's actually name the node. Send this off of Gmurin State, and then on physics process right here, pass. We should make a make an export function. Export category. Let's name this input right now. Can I see that? Let's see. Hi. Vector 2. How about that? All right. Does it see that? Oh no, it doesn't. Why? Why doesn't it see that? That's weird. it should see that, but it doesn't. That's kind of fucked up. Honestly, how about export group? See that? No. Why? Gmodine character. Oh, now it sees it. I just had to do it correctly, I guess. Alright, let's make this a category still. Category. Every time. Okay, no, I know. Pretty much every time I have to Ooh, doesn't see it. Okay, Gmodine. Okay, I see. Yeah, okay. Alright, I gotcha. You really should be using a category more often, honestly. So input move. I think that's enough for now. And then let's see. The adventure state. And for a walk animation string name. Let's have this just set to like a basic walk for now. There you go. And then oh yeah, that's right. I have to have an animation playing with this as well. I suppose that could just be anywhere, huh? Reference animation player. Oops. There you go. Actually, I could just make this a I see. Yeah, okay. Fair enough. Alright. Just maybe just make this a group for now. There you go. And now if I oh, what the fuck? There you go. I accidentally clicked the alt on my keyboard, and it just since it's running on a virtual machine and everything, it brings up the the menu on my main PC and not the virtual machine, so it's kinda fucked up, but it's whatever. There you go. And for now for GG Adventure State, have a character. Actually, yes, character. The controller. Honestly, hold up. I have an idea. So Gmodine character. And this could just be a getter, like a return state controller dot character, like that. Just for now, and so now it shows up, right? Yep. Hell yeah! And now so I think every character is gonna have like a I don't know. I had to decide that like now, so GG playable. Shit, I don't know. GG playable character. So character what? Your reference animation player, and then play, walk animation, something like that, and then actually, what the hell am I doing? I completely forgot. There should be like a there's a walks animation specific for GG. So the walk state I remember I could just copy code from one of my other games, and I probably will do that. I can't lie, but for now excuse me. I think I will speed. Just a general speed will be fine. So I guess float and then 10 for now. And then maybe it would be better to have a ground. I'm not sure how to do this. I'm just being experimental here. Ground state. So walk speed. So let's say if 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 character dot input move is not equal to vector to 0, and I want to Gmooding character controller. Controller is gonna refer to like the player controller, so like the player controlling it. So G class name Gmooding character controller extends node, and then active equals bool false, or maybe true. I don't know. Maybe false for now. And for character, that's gonna be Gmooding character if controller is Gmooding controller character controller, then controller character equals self. How about that? Yep. I think that might work for now. Oops, my bad. Child as Gmooding Gmodine, character controller. There you go. Gmodine. And then, here is gonna be GG player controller. GG character player controller? I don't know. I'm just making shit up at this point. Long ass names, I know. But I suppose just how it is. And this bitch of an earth. Gmodine, character controller, and then let's have this operate under physics process just so I can match the same text. So if not active, then return. Just for now, I'll do a more convoluted system later. But input move is that's right. I forgot to define my input. So player. Sorry, I'm scratching my back right now. Ideally, you'd want to have the player be able to walk around everywhere. So player walk L. Just player move in general. So player move L. So let's have it A, or it could be that. Oops. That, and for the D-pad too. There you go. And now player move up. It's gonna go in a WASD order. So up or up on the D-pad. There you go. And player move at no. Fuck, I'm still thinking WASD order. There you go. So S or down on the analog stick or down the D-pad. There you go. Alright, and last but not least, player move R. D. That and that. There you go. So now we can just do input get vector. Negative X is gonna be and positive X is gonna be that, and then negative Y is gonna be player up, I believe, and player down. At least I think that's what I wants to play anyway. Yeah, and now we shall add a GG ground state. What? No, it does. What are you talking about? Okay, hold on. GG font. What? But this layer is a GG. Is it not? But it is. What? It's tripping right now. Nah, it's tripping. That's crazy. Oh shit. Gmodine state controller. It is, right? Okay, good. Right. This controller. If state is empty, then okay, alright. Child is Gmodine state. Alright, so clearly there's something wrong with GG ground state, I guess. Oops, my bad. Gmodine state. Oh, there you go. That's for Gmodine state, but how about, GG ground state? Okay, why is it doing that? Is it because it's not a tool? Hold on. It's because it's not a tool, isn't it? Hold up. Alright, let's try this again. GG ground state. Okay, yeah, because it's literally just because it wasn't a tool. Great. Amazing, good to know. And, oh shit. Okay, okay. Hmm. So if it's tool state, that means, oh god. Okay, so if state controller, let's see, if engine is editor hint, return. Yep. If that's the case, then set all this to false. There you go. We do not want anything like that running here. False, false, false. Ah, all these falses, man. There you go. Alright, nice. Alright, and then now, put this active. And now, if we have, we run this, oh my fucking god. Okay, is there a testing? There's a testing, right? Okay. Let's run this. Okay, that's, weird. Okay, let's see, where is it? GG ground state, there you go. Ideally, it shouldn't be doing that, but I don't know why it is doing that. How odd. How very, very odd. So does it run at all? Is my question right now. So it is running. It's running, and everything, So at the very least, that's working, but, let's delete that for a moment. Why is it doing that? That's the real question we need to work out right now. So, cause like, I haven't even done a, GG character player control right now. Oh, cause I haven't set these to fucking tool yet. That's right. But, What a convoluted system that I've made up for myself. Character equals self. But it does have a Gmooding state controller. What are you talking about? There you go. And then, let's have this, set as controller, I guess. Active, yes. Alright. I suppose we will make this more convoluted. So... Copy this, over here. There you go. I have to mark everything a tool. It's just how it is at this point. Okay, active bool equals false. There you go. Alright. Alright, so at least it is following that. And now, what's going on with this model? That's oh, because I set the default image to fucking walk. I'm stupid like that. The player, what? What are you talking about? It does exist. I swear it exists, right? Player input map. What? There's no way. Hold up. GG ground state. Oh, I see. It's not. It's not doing anything correctly. There you go. You're not supposed to check because you're supposed to be Oh my god. I don't care. Whatever. Alright, so it stops as soon as I go get off of that, but there's still a problem of this just going for like no reason. Going off for like no reason. So currently otherwise returns false. It's useful for tool scripts that control editor helpers or prevent actually running game code like physics. Right, okay, so there's a problem. Okay. Let's do something like this for now. How about that? I mean, that seems to do it, but I don't know. I don't know why I had to do it in the first place. Cause that's kind of stupid, like in my opinion. But whatever. Let's see. I want to make a Gigi character because this is gonna be very specific for Gigi. Gigi character. Jimurian character. There you go. Make this a GG character. Let's have the actual model here in a Node 3D. And as for GG ground state here, I can reference an old project of mine. Let's see. I believe I just named it Neurogame. There you go. And now scripts, states. Let's move state somewhere. Here you go. Look direction. I want to say look. What was look direction? Hold up. Let me see the source. Phantom characters. Look direction. It was a vector 3, but why? It's a very convoluted old mess, but you know, just happy with the games, I suppose. Death Handler, no. So where is it? Damn. It wasn't a GD script thing, that's for sure. Was it a neural thing or Doki characters thing? I don't know. Doki character. No. Where is it? Movement angle is character look direction. Oh, what's look direction? Look direction. Let me see. Try again in a few minutes. Oh, I see. Right. Whatever. I have to figure out what the hell look direction is while it does that. There you go. And now rotation. Wait, I don't want to slurp. I just want to what am I looking for? Mood. So Kara GG character is gonna be character, just to parse it like that. And then now Kara Alright, so is it gonna show me now what look direction is? Oops. Sorry, my bad. Fighter, no. Oh, what a mess. Characters, moveset. Was it here somewhere? No. Utilities, no. Objects, camera controller, no. No, that wasn't it either. That was not it. Where is it? Am I stupid? I think I might be. I don't know. Let's see. Actually, I think it was in Phantom somewhere. Submitting game. Target position. No, it wasn't. Okay. Was it in here? No. Where was it? Where is it? Where the hell was it? What? Damn, I don't know shit. Truly a pain. God, my stuff from earlier was not good. Jeez. But This is being indexed right now. Yeah, I understand. Is it here? Oh, it's here. Am I stupid? Okay, hold on. Let's see. Target rotation. Look direction equals camera global basis equals vector. Okay, honestly, hold on. Kara.model. What? Rotation dot y? Something like that, right? And then, this could equal, let's see, vector 3, and, Kara input move dot, see, so move x, move y, let's see, so that's gonna be y. And move. I'm just gonna trust this, honestly. At least try. Or no, maybe I could just do like angle or something. Hold on. No, maybe not angle. I don't know. I'm trying my best right now. So what if it was just car input move angle? But okay, so if angle starts at the should be Let me look at my unit circle. Hold up, unit circle. Yes, I know how that works. Let me see how this works. Okay, so minus what? So pi divided by 2. There you go. Alright, now, okay, great. Right. Good to know. Thank you for reminding me. So GG character. There you go. And then model, this model. There you go. Oh my god. Shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up. What is this? I swear. There you go. If engine is editor hint, then return. it should be, alright. How odd, how odd. I mean, okay, honestly, it's probably because, Oops, no, I know the problem. So, typically it's recommended that I do this instead, so model. And then, this will be, alright, show in Final Manager. I need to edit this manually, so maybe something like where is it? What? Oh, yeah, right, I see. Because I'm not on the right thing, because I'm stupid like that. The right thing is over here, so... Gonna be some, like, a model. Excuse me. Alright, something like that. That's the reset, right? So, oh, I see. Getting angry. So, node path. And that replaces with a just model will be fine. There you go. Let's save that. And reload from disk. Yes, there you go. Alright, now it should... no it doesn't. But, that can be fixed like this. No it can't. Why is it doing that? No, fucking... There. Why is it doing that? I don't like it when it does that. So it's completely wrong. Let's see, so... Player... Ideally, okay. I know a little something. Excuse me. So, input move ankle. Okay, so vector to Kara input move dot y, and I want to say it. What I did in that other game was something like this, I believe. An angle. Let's do this. There you go. Alright, so, new change of plans, let's do that. No, I don't fucking know. I'm just trying. I'm just throwing random bullshit at this point. I can't lie with you. But just in case, okay, no, that is the right thing. So, move direction. So... I'm just gonna try different, signs and see what works, honestly. I just completely forget how this works. Or maybe I don't even have to do that at all. I could just Oh, that works. There you go. I mean, honestly, that's like satisfactory, I guess. Um, all right, so that's the basic stuff down. So uh, basic input characters. Base scripts. Something like that. Here you go. So now I'm gonna have to do a little enum right here. So state see so we're gonna have a I hope this works. I think this works. I don't know. And sneak. I don't know. State team. What do you mean by that? By the way, hi, welcome in. I'm just chilling right now. Stay Goodness me. Are you talking about Team Red or Team Green? Team Red or Team Green in terms of like GPUs, maybe? Because still, it clearly says right there that I'm using an RX 9060, and I was also Team Blue. Yeah, yeah. There is, but no, I'm Team Red. It's my excuse me, my PC's like completely red. Look, Ryzen, like I got a Ryzen 9, I got a RX 9060, completely Team Red right now. But the less known for now, yeah, I would say what a B580 is if you can't afford it, if you can't afford anything else, a B580 for like $250 is like I I've heard that like that's a really good price point to be at. But for right now, like I am my old PC is Simic. What up? What does that mean? Goodness me. Oh, green blue. You know that honestly that back then that used to be like the ideal like thing. Not ideal thing. How to describe it? Just the ideal the ideal setup. It's a term from Magic. I'm gonna assume that's like Magic the Gathering. So I remember I don't know my friend just I don't know like a little while ago my friend just suddenly like decided to like go get really into like Magic Gathering for some reason. I don't know why. Not that I blame her or anything. Just it was just our son, but can't really do about it. So if what player move special. How about that? So because some can sneak, some can sprint, things like that. Let's see. Where's my controller? Did I drop it somewhere? I dropped it somewhere, didn't I? No, I didn't. I just put it right there. The other way? Oh yeah. NVIDIA CPU, Intel GPU. God. Oops. Sorry about that. I know not there's so much NVIDIA CPUs out there. Yeah. Um. State idle. State walk. State sneak. Maybe in the future. Maybe. But as it stands right now, I do know that a bunch of I don't know, a bunch of Nvidia and AMD have like a whole like duopoly on like x86 and x86 64. So it's kind of fucked up that way. Hold up. Let me do something real fast. Put off AI on all our CPUs now. Yeah. Even though they're putting NPUs, but like not many AI functions even do like NPU stuff. So I don't know. It's a shame. What's it for? I don't know. They're just putting a bunch of like AI. Supposedly it's to help with like AI, but you know. Can I have ChatGPT online? No, because they still run stuff like Copilot and ChatGPT on like online, so it's kind of redundant at that point. Mostly when you see like Copilot, like, especially like Copilot Plus PCs, those are actually just a term for like Windows ARM devices. Which last time I tried to use one, I mean it was I mean honestly it was a good experience except for the time where like it kept shutting off on me because it couldn't handle like intensive Godot development. I heard people who generate videos in After Effects or Houdini or Blender. Yeah, but that's the thing. It doesn't even like use those cores. It use the goddamn like GPU for stuff. God, is AI used in games? Probably not. And if like not like the type of AI that you typically expect. Just like the like game I'd expect just use like the CPU honestly, because that's just how it is. Also I will say I would appreciate it if you respected just staying on topic honestly. I might have to write a rule around that later. Shame. Okay, yeah, I'm sorry. It was a good conversation, but I I don't know. I get you. A very known hated Spanish YouTuber recently released a game for like $50, and it was made almost entirely with AI. That's different. Okay, okay. Are we talking about like are we talking about we're talking about like generative AI, or like literally like using like Chat GPT inside a game? Cause like those are like completely different things. Generative AI. I know that's what you're talking about. I don't know what this person's talking about. Let's see. Is action pressed special? There you go. There you go. Ba 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 ba. It's really funny though. I'll probably tell you later about it. Just tell me now, since we're on a topic anyway. Honestly. Goodness me. Put move special, then state equals state sneak. State walk. There you go. Else just state equals state idle, I guess. There you go. State state equals state walk or state sneak. There you go. And then yeah, but I had to send links and stuff because it's not something I can really do here. Yeah, just you could literally just tell me about it. It's fine. Like that's you didn't want to show me. You wanted to tell me about it. So that's the thing. Also, I would have asked to I don't know. Ba 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 ba. What am I trying to do? Alright, well, I think it'll work for now. Why is it doing that? Okay, why is it doing that? Why is it doing that? Okay, so that's odd. It's very, very odd. I don't know what's happening. Excuse me. My goodness. Or, oh, because I'm stupid. There you go. That's what's happening. Otherwise, I don't know, just, I'm being like really messy with this. I'll try to clean up later, but idle. There you go. There you go. Just something like that. And then, now I can, character. So, character, equals, let's see, oh damn, how do I do, could I just do a... Could I just do this, and then, I'm being so lazy right now, god. Move and slide. I mean, I'm sort of moving. Let's just, multiply this by, walk speed. Oops, walk speed. There you go. Okay, that needs to be a lot faster. Like 50 at least. Or maybe 150? I don't fucking know. Why do I feel so slow? Maybe 500? I don't... What's... Seriously. Doesn't it be changing a lot? Yeah, that's the thing. What's happening? Like, what if I change it to, like, 1,500? How about that? Oh, it didn't change. I see. Damn it. There you go. That's what I get for being a fucking tool. A fucking tool class. Alright, fair enough. Alright, so now it should be like 50, like this. Alright, that's like, hold on. 100. That's very speedy, hold on. How about 75 right now? I think for tool classes, it's not gonna update like right away, I don't know. I mean, it works. It works. It works. Peak Trilly. God. Alright, so let's put this characters. Player character movable, I guess. I don't know. And then now, get a camera up in here, so let's see, Gmurin camera. And this will inherit, let's say camera 2D for now. Class name, Gmurin. Gmurin camera extends camera 2D. And then, func, ready. Gmurin true. True as fuck, honestly. So, target object for now is gonna be, just a node, just a regular node 2D, and then for physics process, it's gonna be a position, no, global position is probably just gonna be target object dot global position. Let's just be real. So, Gmurin camera, there you go. Alright, so, ideally, I'd like, yeah, some position smoothing. But maybe, maybe a little bit faster, so. That's good. And now, add like a background in here. Let's see, Gmurin, there you go. Let's see, how about icon SVG for now, and just make this a, God, it's peak. 2 hours and this is what I create. It's amazing. Goodness me. It's so Peem. This way can not, no way Tenno's real for fucking Oh, great. Okay, I just dropped some frames there. God. That's really good. Oh, that's really good. Sniff, 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 sniff for fucking real. God. Why did Tenno do that? Sniffing on his weight for real. Oh, that's really good. That's really good. Oh my god. Ugh. Alright, so what? Create camera object. There you go. Something like that. Oh, it's Peem. Should I just should I just keep this in the game? I really. Okay, I'm gonna. I really want to like. I don't know. I really. Yes, totally. Yeah. It's looking. It's looking. It's looking dead real. It's Pete. Oh my god! If you huh. Actually, I have a better idea. Hold on. Play a move special. Shift. Could bind to a mouse button like mouse button. Mouse. Left mouse button. I don't know. Maybe. Yeah, I think shift is fine actually. Now I think about it. I'm gonna go like real Toho. What the fuck just happened? There you go. Maybe more I guess more oh my god. That's that's really good. That's really good. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, wait. Just to end things off, I will make a sneak state. Let's see, Gmodian default state. Walk speed. Sneak speed, I guess. And it's gonna be like 20 or something. If state equals state, not state walk, else sneak speed. There you go. Maybe a little bit too slow. Okay, hold on. 45, how about that? Alright, there you go. Hell yeah. Make the animation speed be based on the walking speed. It'd be funny. True as fuck. Hold up. Yes, alright. Walk animation speed. Yeah, I'll do the same thing for a sneak speed as well, but I'll make it like 0.5. So speed, float equals 0, and then, anim, let's see, string name, and then, let's see, speed is float, 1.0. Oh, no, anim speed, and then move speed. Alright, so then, switch state, no, not switch, match state, right. So state, state walk, then, anim is walk animation and speed. Walk animation speed, and then with state uh what sneak, right? Move speed is the sneak speed, and then sneak animation, and then animation speed is sneak animation speed. So it's gonna be what, move speed right there. And by default, this is always gonna be a 1 right here. So speed scale is 1, but here it'll be different. So anim speed. There you go. Not quite your suggestion, but you know, it's close enough. It's beam. It's beam. It's beam. It's beam. Sneaky ass for real. Why is Tenna so sneaky? It's like Tenna, dude. It's Peem, Miss Annie, yeah. True. Like it's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. This is Mr. Antenna. This is Mr. Antenna's TV time. It feels good. Truly. God damn. Hold up. Headed. Sneaking. The animation is just amazing. Truly. And the animation is amazing. The animation is literally just. It's literally just moving up and down. Like rotating up and down. It's literally just rotating up and down. It's amazing. It's amazing. Truly. God. Got a hinge on its ass. It's crazy. Yeah. Why? Why did Mr. Tenna do that? Why did Tenna do that? God, it's Peem. Alright, I'm done for today. God, what a great stream. What a great stream today. What a great stream. For real. What a great stream. That was such a good stream. Nothing good work, Miss Annie. Thank you. But yeah. But what? Yeah, for now, what? I do have class in about like 4 hours. Peak work? You mean did you not see that? True. But yeah, I do have to end stream a little bit early because I have to go. I have to go to I have class in like 4 hours, so I kind of had to go there. I'm sorry, but yeah. With that being said, I have to go. I'm sorry, my little shark grams. I wish I could hang out more, but that is just how it is. God, I feel like selling myself as a yappy streamer. I don't even know how much I yap that time, but yeah, what up? God, blah 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 blah. Let's see. I did plan to work on the GG model a little bit more, but like on stream. But well, I guess I'll be safe for another time. There's not like much happened in my life, anyways, recently. What happened? Oh yeah, I know what happened. What? Let me go to the just chatting section. I did hold on. Let me stream information. I did go ahead and see Superman 2025. I thought Superman 2025 was like really good actually. I will say, like charming in its own in its own kind of way. You know, not to spoil anything for those who haven't seen it, but like it's like I went to go see it with my sister. I don't know. It had some like pretty good life lessons in there. I will say. There's not really much I had to say on it at the moment. Like that's not like super in detail. Other than that, it's good. But I'll I'll yap about it more in a later time. I will say. I'm sorry for not having stream for like 4 days, basically, just because there's just a lot. Not there's not a lot going on in my life. There's just a lot. It's mainly just my day's just filled with Uma Musume and just more homework. So it's a little bit of a shame, but that's how it is. I'm really trying to squeeze like streams in there like every now and then. So I'm sorry. It's just very vigorous. I hope I hope you don't mind for like the time being. But yeah, alright. With that being said, uh, I'll go now. So that's that's okay. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, thank you for Oh, excuse me. Thank you for coming, everyone. I really appreciate it. Hmm, what? Alright. With that being said, I'll go. Bye bye my little shark grams. Bye bye. We'll still be here to watch whenever. Don't feel bad about not streaming. Like, I mean, I don't know. The thing is, like, it's not like I have to. I really want to, but I just can't. So it's, I guess, more of an apology to myself. Yeah. Bye bye, Mr. Ethan. Bye bye, Lego. Bye bye, everyone. Bye bye, everyone who is watching. Even for like any, that includes WOD watchers as well, especially VOD watchers. Like, who would sit here for like 2 hours and 40 minutes watching me make like bootleg tenna? Alright, that being said, alright, bye bye for real. Bye! See you later. Bye bye, my little shark grams. Bye 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 bye.